90 degrees day, feeling like 100 with the humidity. Good as day as any to seafoam a car. Already did the seafoam and let it heat soak. I'm about to start it up for you guys and just get the aftermath.
It's gonna be a smoke show. We got that. Anything? Oh, barely anything.
There we go.
Still there? Hey, it says to check the engine. Go see if it's still there.
Alright. Yeah, still there. We're good. Seafoam done. Check engine done. Time to go get some food.
Oh, green. It's the pizza dude!
Key is running pretty mint. Not too bad.
Car wash!
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. I got you. I got you. Guys, today was just a boring day, just having some fun, doing some seafoam, grabbing some food. Just giving you guys a little update. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.